The secret life of the aardwolf, Africa's termite hunter. Deep in the grasslands and savannas of Africa, as the sun sets and darkness begins to cloak the landscape, a mysterious creature emerges from its underground den. With its distinctive striped coat and fox-like appearance, the aardwolf begins its nightly hunt, not for gazelles or zebras like its larger hyena cousins, but for something far smaller and more abundant: termites. This is the secret world of Africa's most misunderstood predator, a creature so specialized that it has carved out one of nature's most unique ecological niches. The mysterious aardwolf. Africa's hidden gem. The aardwolf, Protellus cristata, is one of Africa's best-kept secrets. Despite being a member of the hyena family, this remarkable animal has evolved along a completely different path from its bone-crushing relatives. Standing about 16 inches tall at the shoulder and weighing between 15 to 30 pounds, the aardwolf is roughly the size of a medium dog, making it the smallest member of the hyenidae family. Its name, derived from Afrikaans meaning earth wolf, perfectly captures its secretive, ground-dwelling nature. But don't let the name fool you. The aardwolf is neither wolf nor dog. It's a highly specialized hyena that has dedicated its entire existence to mastering the art of termite hunting, a lifestyle so unique that it stands alone in the animal kingdom. The aardwolf's most striking feature is its beautiful coat pattern. Dense, coarse fur covers its body in a stunning array of yellowish-brown to pale buff colors, decorated with distinctive black vertical stripes that run from its shoulders to its flanks. These stripes aren't just for show. They serve as perfect camouflage in the dappled shadows of African grasslands, helping the aardwolf blend seamlessly into its environment during its twilight hunts. Physical adaptations. Built for the hunt. Evolution has sculpted the aardwolf into the perfect termite hunting machine. Every aspect of its anatomy tells the story of millions of years of specialization. Unlike other hyenas with their powerful bone-crushing jaws, the aardwolf possesses a long, narrow snout equipped with a remarkably long, sticky tongue that can extend up to 10 inches, perfect for reaching deep into termite galleries and mounds. The aardwolf's teeth have undergone dramatic evolutionary changes. While its hyena cousins boast massive, bone-crushing molars, the aardwolf's cheek teeth have been reduced to small, peg-like structures that are perfectly adequate for its soft-bodied prey. Its canine teeth remain prominent, but these serve more for defense and territorial disputes rather than for hunting. Perhaps most remarkably, the aardwolf has developed incredibly sensitive hearing and smell. Its large, pointed ears can detect the subtle sounds of termite activity underground, while its keen sense of smell can locate termite trails and identify the species of termites by their unique chemical signatures. This sensory arsenal allows the aardwolf to locate termite colonies with pinpoint accuracy, even in complete darkness. The animal's front paws are equipped with strong, curved claws, perfect tools for breaking into termite mounds and scraping away soil to access underground galleries. Its sturdy legs and compact build make it an efficient digger, capable of excavating multiple termite mounds in a single night's hunt. The great termite specialist. What makes the aardwolf truly extraordinary is its incredible dietary specialization. While most carnivores maintain varied diets to ensure nutritional balance, the aardwolf has put all its evolutionary eggs in one basket: termites. Specifically, it has an almost exclusive preference for harvester termites of the genus Trinervitermes, though it will occasionally consume other termite species and rarely other insects. This specialization is so extreme that termites make up 95% or more of the aardwolf's diet. During peak termite season, a single aardwolf can consume between 200,000 to 300,000 termites in one night. That's roughly equivalent to eating 2 to 3 pounds of termites every evening. Over the course of a year, one aardwolf may consume millions of termites, making it one of nature's most effective pest controllers. The aardwolf's hunting strategy is a masterclass in efficiency. Unlike the chaotic feeding frenzies of other predators, the aardwolf employs a methodical, almost meditative approach to foraging. It moves slowly through its territory, using its acute senses to locate active termite foraging trails. When it finds a promising site, it uses its powerful claws to carefully excavate the soil, exposing the termite galleries beneath. The real magic happens when the aardwolf begins feeding. Its long, sticky tongue works like a biological conveyor belt, rapidly lapping up termites with mechanical precision. The tongue's surface is covered in backward-facing papillae that help trap termites, while copious amounts of sticky saliva ensure that few escape once caught. Masters of the night. Nocturnal behavior. The aardwolf is primarily nocturnal, beginning its activities at dusk and remaining active throughout the night until dawn. This nocturnal lifestyle isn't just a preference, it's a necessity driven by the behavior of its primary prey. Harvester termites are most active during cooler evening and nighttime hours, emerging from their underground colonies to forage for dead grass and plant material. During the day, aardwolves retreat to underground dens, which they either dig themselves or appropriate from other animals like aardvarks or ground squirrels. These dens provide crucial protection from the harsh African sun and potential predators. A typical aardwolf den system consists of multiple chambers connected by tunnels, with several entrance holes for quick escape routes. The aardwolf's daily routine follows a predictable pattern. As evening approaches, it emerges from its den and begins a systematic patrol of its territory. Unlike the social hunting behaviors of other hyenas, the aardwolf is a solitary hunter, preferring to work alone in the darkness. Its territory can range from 1 to 4 square kilometers, depending on termite abundance and habitat quality. Navigation in complete darkness requires exceptional spatial memory and sensory acuity. Aardwolves develop detailed mental maps of their territories, memorizing the locations of productive termite areas, den sites, and escape routes. They mark their territories with scent glands located near their anus, creating an olfactory landscape that helps them navigate and communicate with other aardwolves. Social structure and communication. While aardwolves are primarily solitary animals, they do maintain complex social relationships within their territories. During the breeding season, pairs form temporary bonds, and family groups consisting of parents and offspring may share territory and den sites. Aardwolf communication relies heavily on scent marking and vocalizations. They possess anal scent glands that produce a strong-smelling secretion used to mark territory boundaries and communicate reproductive status. These scent marks convey detailed information about the individual's identity, health, and breeding condition. Vocally, aardwolves are surprisingly expressive. They produce a range of sounds including growls, barks, clucks, and even a distinctive hooting call used for long-distance communication. During territorial disputes or when threatened, they can emit loud, aggressive barks that seem disproportionately powerful coming from such a small animal. When confronted by predators or rivals, the aardwolf has a remarkable defensive display. It raises the long black mane along its back and neck, making itself appear much larger and more intimidating. This impressive display, combined with fierce barking and aggressive posturing, is often enough to deter potential threats without physical confrontation. Reproduction and family life. The aardwolf breeding season typically coincides with the rainy season when termite populations are at their peak, usually occurring between September and November in southern Africa. This timing ensures that pregnant females and growing cubs have access to abundant food resources during the most critical periods. After a gestation period of approximately 90 days, female aardwolves give birth to 2 to 4 cubs in the safety of their underground dens. The cubs are born blind and helpless, completely dependent on their mother's care. For the first several weeks of life, they remain in the den while their mother ventures out to hunt. Aardwolf cubs develop rapidly, opening their eyes at about 2 weeks and beginning to explore their den system by 1 month of age. By 6 weeks, they may accompany their mother on short foraging trips, learning essential hunting skills through observation and imitation. This extended learning period is crucial for mastering the complex skills required for successful termite hunting. The family unit remains together for approximately 1 year, with cubs gradually becoming more independent as they develop their hunting abilities. During this time, both parents contribute to raising the young, though the female typically bears the primary responsibility for nursing and early care. Habitat and distribution. Aardwolves inhabit the grasslands, savannas, and semi-arid regions of eastern and southern Africa. Their distribution closely follows that of their primary prey, harvester termites, creating a fascinating example of how specialized predators track their food sources across landscapes. The species occurs in two separate populations. One in East Africa, ranging through Kenya, Tanzania, and parts of Ethiopia, and another in southern Africa, found in South Africa, Botswana, Namibia, and southern Angola. This disjunct distribution suggests that aardwolf populations may have been more widespread in the past but became isolated as climate changes affected termite distributions. Aardwolves prefer open grasslands and lightly wooded savannas where termite colonies are abundant. They avoid dense forests, where termite diversity and abundance are typically lower, and extremely arid regions where termite populations cannot be sustained. The ideal aardwolf habitat features scattered termite mounds, adequate grass cover for camouflage, and suitable soil conditions for den construction. Climate plays a crucial role in aardwolf ecology. These animals are most active during cooler months when termite activity peaks, and they may reduce their activity or even become temporarily inactive during the hottest, driest periods when termites retreat deep underground. Ecological role and conservation. The aardwolf plays a vital but often overlooked role in African ecosystems. As one of nature's most efficient termite predators, it helps maintain the delicate balance between termite populations and vegetation. By consuming millions of termites annually, aardwolves prevent these insects from causing excessive damage to grasslands and agricultural areas. This pest control service provides significant economic benefits to human communities. In agricultural regions, aardwolves help protect crops and pastureland from termite damage, potentially saving farmers substantial economic losses. Unlike chemical pest control methods, aardwolf predation is entirely natural and sustainable, creating no environmental pollution or health risks. Currently, aardwolf populations are considered stable throughout most of their range, and the species is classified as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. However, this status shouldn't breed complacency. Habitat loss due to agricultural expansion, urbanization, and overgrazing poses ongoing threats to aardwolf populations. In some regions, aardwolves face persecution from farmers who mistakenly believe they prey on livestock. This misconception stems from their hyena family connection and their occasional presence near farms, where termites are often abundant. Education programs highlighting the aardwolf's beneficial role in pest control are essential for changing these negative perceptions. Adaptations to environmental challenges. Living in Africa's challenging environments has led to remarkable adaptations in aardwolf physiology and behavior. During dry seasons when termite activity decreases, aardwolves can enter a state of reduced metabolic activity, conserving energy until conditions improve. This adaptation allows them to survive periods when their primary food source becomes scarce. Temperature regulation is another significant challenge. Aardwolves have developed behavioral and physiological strategies to cope with extreme temperatures. During hot days, they remain underground in their cool dens, while their thick fur provides insulation during cold nights. Their large ears also serve as temperature regulation devices, helping to dissipate excess heat. Water conservation is crucial in semi-arid environments. Aardwolves obtain most of their water from their prey, and their kidneys are highly efficient at concentrating urine to minimize water loss. This adaptation allows them to survive in regions where surface water may be scarce or seasonal. The future of Africa's termite hunter. As Africa continues to face environmental challenges including climate change, habitat fragmentation, and human population growth, the future of the aardwolf depends on our commitment to conservation and understanding. These remarkable animals represent millions of years of evolutionary specialization and play irreplaceable roles in their ecosystems. Research continues to reveal new aspects of aardwolf biology and ecology. Scientists are using GPS tracking, camera traps, and genetic analysis to better understand their movements, population dynamics, and habitat requirements. This knowledge is essential for developing effective conservation strategies and predicting how aardwolf populations might respond to environmental changes. The aardwolf story is ultimately one of remarkable adaptation and evolutionary success. In choosing to specialize in termite hunting, This unique member of the hyena family has found a sustainable niche that has allowed it to thrive for millions of years. As we work to protect Africa's biodiversity, the aardwolf serves as a powerful reminder that some of nature's most important stories are told by its most secretive and specialized creatures. In the quiet darkness of an African night, as an aardwolf emerges from its den to begin another termite hunt, it continues an ancient ritual that connects it to the deepest rhythms of the continent. This is the secret life of the aardwolf, Africa's most successful termite hunter and one of evolution's most remarkable success stories.